Welcome to another session of our training. So we're going to learn how to make professional graphics and make money with it without having too much technical skills and the easiest way possible. So how do we do that? We're going to use Canva. So I go to Play Store to download Canva. Okay, so we are using iPhone. You can download it too from the App Store. So that's that Canva. Canva is a very good app that you can just make various designs. You don't even have to design from scratch. You click on install. So wait for it to install, then we'll continue. Okay. It's almost done. Good. So should be on my device version. Yes, let's see it is on my phone already. It's taking a bit too long. So have it there. Let's check push to back. Okay, that's successfully installed. So let's go and check for it. So this Canva here, click on Canva. Okay, I have an existing account already, but I will create another account so you guys can see how to set up your account. So instead of, I'll say continue another way. But the easiest way you can do is just click on continue with Google if you have a Gmail account on your phone that is actively on your phone. Continue with Google to ask for Gmail account. Continue. Press your actual email account, and the process shouldn't be difficult again from there. But we can say, let's see. Let's continue with Google. Okay, this is MattTechies Academy. taking a bit too long. Okay, now it's open the app for me now. I'll skip this. I don't need this for now. So I think I've created an account with the email already. If you haven't, you have asked for this little process after selecting on continue with Google and the email I wanted to use, but not something long. You should be good to go and have your account set up on Canva. Canva is so good that you don't have to design from scratch. You can do a lot with Canva. You can even work with create animated graphics, simple flyers, different things with Canva. So let's see. Let's click on personal projects. And they have free version, they have paid version. The free version should mostly achieve what you need. But if you even need more, that is only the product I can give you. You can also try to subscribe to the pro if you want, but it's not that necessary. So they're telling me to try the pro for free for 14 days, but let me skip for now. Let's skip. Okay, got it. Next. Okay, now this is Canva. We have a Canva interface already. So we have followed the same process that I did and my explanation. You should be able to arrive at the same interface on your phone. Same thing if you are using a laptop too, the process is not that different. You should be able to arrive at this interface too. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.